Next we find Laplace transform of hyperbolic functions cos h kt and sin h kt. We have the result cos h theta is equal to half into e raised to theta plus e raised to minus theta. This is the definition of hyperbolic functions. Cos h theta is equal to half into e raised to theta plus e raised to minus theta. Okay, then cos h kt is equal to, instead of this theta we are taking kt, half into e raised to kt plus e raised to minus kt. Then L of cos h kt is equal to, using linearity, take half outside and L of e raised to kt plus L of e raised to minus kt. And L of e raised to at, that you know 1 by s minus a, so L of e raised to kt is 1 by s minus k, plus L of e raised to minus kt is 1 by s minus minus k, that is 1 by s plus k. Simplifying, cross multiplying and simplifying, we are getting it is half into 2s by s square minus k square, and 2 cancels, s by s square minus k square. This is a Laplace transform of cos h kt. Similarly, we can find the Laplace transform of sin h kt by using the result sin h theta is equal to half into e raised to theta minus e raised to minus theta. Likewise, we have sin h kt is equal to half into e raised to kt minus e raised to minus kt. And as in the above case, taking Laplace transform, we can see that it is sin h kt, L of sin h kt is equal to k by s square minus k square. Okay. That is to find the Laplace transform of sin h kt, or to find the Laplace transform of cos h kt. It may be 3 marks question. Then this is the method to find the values. Okay. Next we can see some problems. That is to find Laplace transform of some functions, given functions. That is to find the Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t. To find Laplace transform, then we have to find, actually to find using the formula e raised to minus 3t is equal to integral 0 to infinite e raised to minus st into e raised to minus 3t dt. That is integral 0 to infinite e raised to, simplifying, minus of s plus 3 t dt. That is integral is e raised to minus s plus 3t by minus s plus 3, giving values 0, infinite. And it is minus 1 by s plus 3 outside, and giving values e raised to minus infinity 0 and e raised to 0 is 1. Its value is 1 by s plus 3. So method to find Laplace transform e raised to minus 3t. If the question is to find the Laplace transform of 2 e raised to 6t minus 15 sin 2t. To find Laplace transform L of, then you can use linearity property, 2 outside, 2 into L of e raised to 6t minus 15 into L of sin 2t. Then e raised to 8 is 1 by s minus a. Therefore 2 into 1 by s minus 6 minus 15 into sin kt is k by s square plus k square. That is 15 into 2 by s square plus 2 square. It's a method. So for 3 marks it is enough to find Laplace transform of 2 e raised to 6t minus 15 sin 2t. If another question is to find Laplace transform of t square into e raised to minus 2t. This is the question. To find Laplace transform of t square into e raised to minus 2t. You write the formula L of. What is formula? Integral 0 to infinite e raised to minus st into f of t. That is this t square into e raised to minus 2t dt. Then you can club this e raised to minus 2t and e raised to minus st. That is integral 0 to infinite e raised to minus of s plus 2t into t square dt. Okay. You can write this for convenience as integral 0 to infinite e raised to minus kt into t square dt. This is some formula, integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Likewise, it is integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus kt, instead of s here k, into f of t dt. F of t is t square. Therefore, we can take this as Laplace transform of t square. This is actually formula of Laplace transform of t square, because Laplace transform of t square is integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus kt into t square. Okay, instead of s we are taking it k. Okay, k is s plus 2. Okay, then what is L of t square? L of t square is, you know, the standard result L of t raised to n is equal to n factorial by s raised to n plus 1. This standard formula L of t raised to n is equal to n factorial by s raised to n plus 1. Therefore, this L of t square is, what is it? 2 factorial by s raised to 2 plus 1 s cube, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 by s cube ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 2 by s cube ആണ് ആൻസർ. പക്ഷേ എസിന് പകരത്ത് ഇവിടെ കെ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് 2 by k cube എന്നാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്. 2 by k cube, 2 by k cube. എസ് അല്ല ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത്, കെ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ സാധാരണ ഫോർമുല എഴുതുമ്പോൾ n factorial by s raised to n plus 1 എഴുതുമ്പോൾ അത് എസ് ആയിരിക്കണം അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ എസ് അല്ല, ടിയുടെ കൂടെയുള്ളത് മൈനസ് എസ് അല്ല, കെ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ n factorial by k raised to n plus 1 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 factorial by k cube അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 by k cube ആണ് ആൻസർ. ഇനി കെൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ എടുത്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി, അത് എസ് പ്ലസ് 2. അപ്പോൾ ആൻസർ 2 by s plus 2 whole cube. ഇതാണ് ഒരു മെത്തേഡ്. ചില പ്രോബ്ലം ഇങ്ങനെ ചോദിക്കാം, ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ലാപ്ലേസ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോം ഓഫ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ടി സ്ക്വയർ ഇൻറ്റു ഇ റേസ്ഡ് ടു മൈനസ് 2t എന്ന രൂപത്തിലൊക്കെ ചില പ്രോബ്ലം വന്നേക്കാം. അങ്ങനെ വന്നാൽ ഈ തരത്തിലാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. You can see another problem, that is find the Laplace transform of question is e raised to minus 3t into t cube. Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t into t cube. Find the Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t into t cube. Such a question, the same method we discussed earlier. This method L of formula is integral 0 to infinite e raised to minus st into f of t. F of t is e raised to minus 3t into t cube dt. And simplifying 0 to infinite e raised to minus of s plus 3t into t cube dt. And putting this s plus 3k, integral 0 to infinite e raised to minus kt into t cube dt. And what is this definition of Laplace transform of what function? T cube, L of t cube. And L of t raised to n is n factorial by s raised to n plus 1. Here n factorial by k raised to n plus 1. That is n factorial by k raised to n plus 1. Here it is 3 factorial by k raised to 4. That is 6 by k raised to 4. And 6 by, what is k? K is here s plus 3. Substituting s plus 3 all raised to 4. 6 by s plus 3 all raised to 4 is the answer. Okay. And there may be some other type of questions. For that we can use some trigonometric identity. That is, there is one question. Find the Laplace transform of sin 3t into cos 2t. Sin 3t into cos 2t. Find the Laplace transform of sin 3t into cos 2t. That is to find the L of sin 3t into cos 2t. There is no standard result like this product. So we have to convert this product into a sum. For that we are using the formula 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus. Sine cos. If it is to cos sine, cos A sine B, then you can use sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Sine A cos B, cos A sine B. Or it can be 2 cos cos, cos A cos B. Then it is cos formula, cos A plus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And again one more chance is 2 sin A sin B, cos cos sin sin, sin cos cos sin. It is cos, again cos formula, but difference is that it is cos A minus B first minus cos A plus B minus cos A plus B. Okay. These are the formula to convert a product into sum. And here we have sin 3t into cos 2t like this. And for getting the 2 adjustment, we are putting half into 2 sin 3t cos 2t. What is it? Half into 2 sin A cos B. It is half into 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B. That is, here it is 3t plus 2t, 5t. Plus sin A minus B, 3t minus 2t. That is t, sin t. And L of this. To find this, we are using linearity half into L of sin 5t plus L of sin t. That is half into L of sin kt, that you know k by s square plus k square. L of sin 5t is 5 by s square plus 5 square, 25. Plus, here it is L of sin t, that is 1 by s square plus 1. This is the answer. Any type such questions with a product of two functions, two trigonometric values, then easy method is like this. Okay. Suppose we have given a question to find sin 5t into sin 3t, L of. Find the Laplace transform of sin 5t into sin 3t. Then you can use the formula 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. For that we are putting a half into 2 sin 5t sin 3t. Here 2 sin A sin B, this is the formula. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Half into cos A minus B, 5t minus 3t, that is cos 2t minus cos A plus B is cos 8t. Then Laplace transform. To find Laplace transform, half into L of cos 2t minus L of cos 8t. Cos 2t, cos kt is s by s square plus k square. It is s by s square plus 2 square, 4. Minus here it is cos 8t, kt is k is 8 here, and s by s square plus 8 square, 64. That is, answer is half into s by s square plus 4 minus s by s square plus 64. This will be the answer. Okay. And if there is another question to find Laplace transform of maybe 2t minus 1 whole cube, 2t minus 1 whole cube, then simplify it into a minus b whole cube, that is a cube, 8t cube minus 3a square t, a square b, about minus 3 into this square, 4t square, minus 12t square, plus 3ab square, 3 into 2t into 1 minus 1 square, that is 6t, and minus b cube minus 1, simply. Then L of 8 into L of t cube minus 12 into L of t square plus 6 into L of t minus L of 1. Okay. 8 into L of t cube is 3 factorial by s raised to 4. 12 into t square is 2 factorial by s cube. And 6 into L of t is 1 by s square. L of 1 is 1 by s. This is a method. Thus, to find any type of such questions, we have to convert that into standard results we have already seen. That is to some L of t raised to n or some L of cos a t or sin kt, etc. Convert it into standard. Okay. Next Another question possibly is uh, cos square t. What is L of cos square t? What is L of cos square t? There is no formula to find. We know L of cos t only. No formula to find L of cos square t directly. And we are using the trigonometric identity. Cos square t is equal to 1 plus cos 2t divided by or half into 1 plus cos 2t. Cos square t is equal. Then L of cos square t is equal to half into L of 1 plus L of cos 2t. That we know L of 1 is 1 by s. L of cos 2t is s by s square plus 4. Okay. So method. Thus any type of questions to find Laplace transform, it will be of 3 marks. Then either you can directly find using the definition or by converting that to s plus something into k and using standard result, or by using trigonometric identities like this, say product into converted into sum, or like this cos square t is converted into trigonometric identity half into 1 plus cos 2t, like that you can find the Laplace transform. Okay, thank you.